All right, Monarchs, this is the homework help video for worksheet 2.1. Before I do a few example problems, we'll go through the problems that we are going to be completing for this worksheet. We'll be completing all of the odd problems. That's all of the odd problems, even the 2 odd problems on the review problems on the back. Okay, so we're completing 1, we're completing 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 1, and 3. Okay. All right. So we're doing all of the odd problems, including the odd problems on the review section in the back. All right. So let me look through these and see if there are any in particular that I think look challenging that you may want me to do. Why don't we work with number 11 right now? Okay. So we have negative 143 equals negative 11x. Okay. So first off, I want to think, what number is on the same side of the equal sign as my x? And I see, oh, that negative 11 is on the same side of the equal sign as my x. So how do I move that negative 11 to the other side of the equal sign? Well, then I have to think, what is that doing to my x? What does that mean if it's right next to my variable? I'm like, oh, they're doing multiplication. Then I think, what's the opposite of multiplication? Duh, division. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides of the equals, or both sides of the equation, by the number that's multiplying my variable, which is this negative 11. So I'm going to divide here by negative 11. And I'm going to divide, remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. So I'm going to divide here by negative 11. Okay. Negative 11 divided by negative 11 is 1. So those cancel out. I bring down my equal sign. I have x. And then I want to do negative 143 divided by negative 111 on my calculator. So let's see what we get. 13 is the correct answer. And since this is a negative divided by a negative, we know we'll get a positive out. So the correct answer to this problem would be 13. Okay. Let's take a look at a couple on the back. Okay. All right. So why don't we do a couple of the review problems? So we're translating the algebraic expression into a verbal expression. So we're translating numbers into words for this. Okay. This is words into numbers up here, and those ones you'll have to solve. So up here, we're doing words into numbers and solve. So you have to do negative 11 times the number is. Remember, is means equals. Okay. 77, and then we'll have to solve for that number, for that variable you choose to use. Okay. So if I look at review question 3, it says evaluate the expression for the replacement set 5, 10, and 18. And it gives us a variable a plus 11. Okay, so here I have a. So now I know that anytime I see this a, I'm going to plug in the numbers it tells me to plug in. So for 3a, for 3, the first one, this would be 5 plus 11, right? We got this 5 from right there, and we know that it's a. All right, so in this case, a is 5, so I just plug in a 5 for a, and 5 plus 11 would be 16. Okay, so you'll do the same thing, but you'll plug in a 10 for A and then an 18 for A. Okay. If you guys ever need any additional help on homework, remember we do have our tutoring from 3 to 6 every day, Monday through Friday. That is available, and the link is on our Schoology. You are also free to reach out to myself. My email is grrizzo@guhsd.net, and you're also always welcome to reach out to Miss Salazar. Okay, thank you guys for watching.